Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we will be dealing with Chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers. In our day to day life, we come across numbers. If we want to count any object, we use numbers to count them. For example, here I have a jar containing pebbles. If I want to count the number of pebbles present in the jar, I use numbers to count them, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. The total number of pebbles present in the jar is 4. In order to count any concrete objects, we use numbers to count them. Natural numbers. The counting numbers are called as natural numbers. The natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The smallest natural number is 1. We cannot predict the largest natural number as the counting is endless, it goes on and on. Digits or figures. Any number can be written with the help of 10 symbols. Each of the symbol is called digit or figures. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Each of this symbol is called digit or figures. Here is an activity. Form two-digit numbers without repeating the digits. The digits given here are 8, 0, 5, 4, 2, and 6. We have to form two-digit numbers and we should not repeat the digits. So 8, 0, combining these two together we can form 80, 5, 6, 56, 4, 242, as well as by reversing we can form 24, 65. By combining 6 and 2 we can form 62. Likewise, we can combine any two digit and form a number. Place value and face value of a digit in a number. To find the place value of a digit in a number, multiply the digit by the value of the place it occupies. So here is a number 5269. In order to find the place value of 9, 9 is in the ones place. So we have to multiply 9 into the value of the place it occupies, that is 1, which is equal to 9. So the place value of 9 will be 9. 6 occupies 10's place, so 6 into 10, which is equal to 60. 2 occupies a hundred's place, so 2 into 100 is equal to 200. 5 occupies the thousand's place, so 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. Let us find the place value of the given number 2965. 5 occupies the ones place, so 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 6 occupies the tens place, so 6 into 10 is equal to 60. 9 occupies the hundreds place, so 9 into 100 is equal to 900. 2 occupies the thousands place, so 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. Face value. The face value of a digit in a number is a digit itself regardless of the place it occupies in the number. So the number given here is 5354. The face value of 4 in ones place is 4. The face value of 5 in tens place is 5. The face value of 3 in hundreds place is 3. The face value of 5 in thousands place is 5. Now we will do some sums based on the place value and face value of a digit in a number. Determine the product of place value of 2, 6 in 306165. Here, the place value of 6 in the thousands place. 1 6 is present at the thousands place. So it is 6 into 1000, which is equal to 6000. And 1 6 is present in the tens place. So it is 6 into 10, which is equal to 60. We have to find the product. So we have to multiply. So when we multiply, therefore the product of place value of the 2 6 in the given number is 6000 into 60. We will get 3,60,000. The next sum is determine the difference between the place value and face value of 4 in the number 5437. We have to determine the difference between the place value and face value of 4. The place value of 4 in the hundreds place. The 4 is present in the hundreds place. So it is 4 into 100, which is equal to 400. The face value of 4 in the given number will be the number itself. So it is 4. We have to find the difference. So we have to subtract. So therefore the difference between the place value and face value of 4 in the number 5437 will be 400 minus 4, which is equal to 396. Numerals, numeration. A single digit or a group of digits representing a number is called a numeral. Thus, a numeral is a symbolic representation of a number. Example: 6, 12, 765,000. Numeration. Writing a number in words is called numeration. Example: 2 is written in words as TWO. 58 is written in words as 58. To read and write numbers, two systems of numeration are used in common. The one is the Indian system, the other one is the international system. We will see Indian system of numeration. 1 represent the ones place, 1 followed by 1 0 represent the tens place, 1 followed by 2 0 hundreds, 1 followed by 3 0 thousands, 1 followed by 4 0 10,000, 1 followed by 5 0 lakhs, 1 followed by 6 0 10 lakhs, 1 followed by 7 0 crores, 1 followed by 8 0 10 crores. Indian place value chart. So in the Indian place value chart, we have the places here: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and the numbers are written below here. So the important thing here is the periods. This will help us to write the number in terms of words as well as in inserting commas in the numbers. So the ones, tens and hundreds period together is called as the ones period. The ones, tens and hundred place together is called as the ones period. The 1000, 10,000 place together is called as a thousands period. Lakhs, 10 lakh together is called as a lakhs period. Crore, 10 crore together is called as the crores period. Writing numbers. 7,032 is given in words. We have to write in numbers. So 7,032. 1000 means 1 followed by 3 zeros. So there must be 4 numbers. So 7,000. So the first number should be 7. In the hundreds place, we do not have a number, so it is 0, 32. So in a tens place it is 3, and in a ones place it is 2. So the number will be 7032. 2 in ones place, 3 in tens place, 0 in hundreds place, 7 in thousands place. Next we will see the place value chart. So the place value chart consists of period, places and numbers. So in the places we have to write ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and so on. And in the period, ones, tens and 100 together is called as ones period. 1,000, 10,000 together is called as thousand period, and lakhs and 10 lakhs together will be called as a lakh period, and so on. So we have to represent the numbers below the place, like to represent the ones place. So below ones place we have to write 2. 3 is present in tens place, so below tens place we have to write 3. 100, 0. So hundreds place number will be 0. Thousands place number is 7. So below 1000 we have to write 7. If you are asked to write the place value chart, you have to write like this. Expanded form 7032. We have to write the number in expanded form. So in order to write the number in expanded form, we have to multiply each digit by the value of the place it occupies. So 7 occupies thousands place. So it is 7 into 1000 plus 0 occupies hundreds place. So it is 0 into 100 plus 3 occupies the tens place. So it is 3 into 10 plus 2 occupies the ones place. So it is 2 into 1. So 7 into 1000 will be 7000. 0 into 100 is 0. 3 into 10 is 30. 2 into 1 is 2. This is the expanded form of the number 7032. Here is an example. 8 crores 75 lakhs 63,201. So 8 crores. So crores means 1 followed by 70. So there must be 8 numbers. It is 8 crores. So the starting number should be 8. 75 lakhs followed by 75. 63,000. So 63. 200. So 2. In the tens place we do not have a number. So we put 0. 1. In the ones place we have 1. Note, if a place is vacant in a number, put 0 at that place. Never write 0 at the highest place of a number. Example, the number 735 is written as 735 and not as 0735. Reading numbers. To read large numbers, we insert commas after each period starting from ones period, thousand period, lakhs period, crores period and so on. So the number is 7235628. So we have to insert commas after ones period. So ones, tens, 100 together is called ones period. So we are inserting a comma. Next is thousand period. 1000, 10,000 together is called thousand period. So we are inserting a comma. The next is lakhs period. Lakh, 10 lakh together is called lakhs period. So we are inserting comma. The number will be read as 7 crore 23 lakhs 56,298. Examples 638124. After ones period we are inserting a comma, and after thousands period we are inserting a comma. So the number will be read as 6,38,124. The next problem, 59,347,2,607. After ones period, that is 607. 7 is in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place. So this is the ones period. We will insert a comma here. Then 1000, 10,000 is a thousand period. So we will insert a comma. Lakh and 10 lakh, lakhs period. We will insert comma. This is crore, 10 crore. So the number will be read as 59 crores 34 lakhs 72,607. International system of numeration. So in international system of numeration, 1 represent ones place, 1 followed by 10 represent tens place, 1 followed by 20 hundreds, 1 followed by 30 thousands, 1 followed by 40 10,000, 1 followed by 50 100,000. In Indian system, 1 followed by 50 will be lakhs, but here 1 followed by 50 is 100,000. 1 followed by 60 is millions, 1 followed by 70 is 10 million, 1 followed by 80 is 100 million. International place value chart. So here we have the places and the place value, like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, like that we have. Okay. So here also the important thing is the periods. Ones, tens, 100 together is called ones period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 together is called thousands period. Million, 10 million, 100 million together is called as the millions period. Reading and writing numbers. To read large numbers, we insert commas after each period starting from ones period, thousand period, million period, billion period, and so on. So the number is 23730508. 8 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 5 in hundreds place, 0 in thousands place, 3 in 10,000s place, 7 in 100,000s place, 3 in million place, and 2 in 10 million place. So now we will insert the commas. So while inserting comma, we have to start from the ones period. Ones, tens, and 100 together is called as ones period. So we will insert a comma here. Next is the thousand period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 together is called as the thousand period. So after thousand period, we will insert a comma. Next is a million period. So million and 10 million together is called as a million period. So the number will be read as 23,730,508. The reason why it is written as 730,000 is 7 is present in the 100,000 place. So it is 730,000. Okay. The place value chart. Like we saw before, for the number we can write the place value chart. So the place value chart consists of period, places, and numbers. So in the places, we have to write the ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, like that. The place value goes on, and the numbers we have to mention. 8 is in the ones place. So under ones place, we have to mention 8. Okay. In tens place we have 0. So 0 here. In hundreds place we have 5. And the period is ones, tens and hundred together is called as ones period. 1000, 10,000, 100,000 together is called as the thousand period. Million, 10 million, 100 million together is called as the million period. Here are few examples. 506723. So after ones period we will insert a comma. Then this is a thousand period. So the number will be read as 506,723. One more sum. 180018,018. So after ones period we will insert comma, and then thousand period we will insert comma. This is a million period. So 180,018,018. Thinking corner. This is the comparison of Indian system of numeration and the international system of numeration. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 10 million is equal to 1 crore. 100 million is equal to 10 crore. 1 billion is equal to 100 crore. 1 lakhs is equal to 10,000. 1 million is equal to 100,000. 1 crore is equal to 10 lakh. 1 billion is equal to 100 million. The summary of the lesson. We learned about natural numbers. The counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Place value of a digit in a number. The place value of a digit in a number is obtained by multiplying the digit by the value of the place it occupies. Next we learned about the face value. The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself regardless of the place it occupies in the number. To read and write large numbers, we learned two systems of numeration. The one is international system and Indian system of numeration, and we also did few problems based on it. This is your assignment sums. Thank you.